Hey, it's Jeff here at stockideas.org. Just doing a quick video about why I'm not buying the dip just yet. So here's a chart of the SPY and asking when do you buy the dip. It's trending up certainly, but consolidation is not out of the question as we get over time highs. This doesn't come as a surprise. All of the kind of setups I've been looking at. I looked at AEG the other day, and the chart was setting up, but amidst the broader weak market, and kind of the moves that the stock had already made, wanted to maybe just be cautious here, and I warned of that. Is to be patient and avoid overpaying. And now if you want to look at AEG today, the last couple of days that was really news we should have heeded, and I did. Don't have much exposure, have a large cash position, and this has kind of been the look across the board. I also looked at Infinera, and I said, I'm interested in buying the stock, but we need some stabilization as it heads towards $6. And here it was at 617, down 8%. I think when I posted that blog post, it was about 650. So traditionally I've bought the dip too early, and I'm learning to be patient here. This GNW chart I can pull up. We had a couple days ago looking at the 30-minute chart at 9:35. Today I think it's lower, 9:10. Yeah, down 20 cents. So glad I didn't deploy cash there. And here I said a move to 850 would not surprise me on broad market weakness. These stocks are well valued, but they've made big gains, and we need some distribution. Same with Brooks. It's been had a great run, but as I said, we need some time here to firm up. I think it's going to head back closer to $8. But then it's really a steal. I'm kind of excited that if this pullback is going to continue, because as I said, these charts are not extended necessarily, but they've run up quite a bit, and there's been heavy buying, and not to say that it won't just consolidate here for a while longer and go up. I'm not telegraphing a market collapse, but I certainly think that there are going to be better risk-reward opportunities if we're just patient, generally across the board. So I'm not pushing a lot of setups. And I don't know if you guys all read iBank Coin. The fly is pretty much famous in these parts, but this is really, I think, the outlook you might want to take. That continue to wait out certain reasonable discounts. I don't feel a sense of urgency either. So, be patient. Keep researching opportunity. As stocks come down in price, there'll be, these metrics will start to improve in a lot of cases. So that's definitely something to keep an eye for. Run your screens. Check out the free stock screener post if you haven't already, to get some ideas of how you can, start looking for these deals. So I hope this helps give you an idea of why I'm not buying the dip yet.